Want to escape your current routine and experience a whole new country, culture, and lifestyle? If the answer is yes, then our work and holiday trip is perfect for you. Fund your travels with a full-time local job in an epic location. Surround yourself with like-minded people from all over the world, uncover new passions and hobbies, tick off bucket list items while creating memories and stories to last a lifetime. And how does global work and travel make it all happen for you? After getting started by choosing your tentative dates and paying the small booking deposit, you'll gain access to our G World platform and be assigned a personal trip coordinator who's here to help you every step of the way. We're here to assist you with pretty much everything, from your visa application to building a professional profile that will be presented to some of our hundreds of unique partner organizations in the country you're going to. We'll also help you prepare for your virtual interview that you can do from the comfort of home and help you organize the perfect flights and insurance to suit your adventure. And now comes the fun part. Once you touch down to your destination, we'll have a private airport pickup to avoid getting stuck or lost coming from the airport. Plus, you receive 4 nights accommodation in the heart of the city, so you can shake off that jet lag and start meeting new friends right away. You'll then be equipped with a detailed orientation to give you the lay of the land and be welcomed by your in-country arrival coordinator, who's always got your back. They'll also help you set up a bank account, a tax number, and provide you a local SIM card with credit to save you a ton of time and stress just trying to figure it out all on your own. So what's up next? It's time to head out on some amazing local tours and experiences, which you can do alongside other global travelers. We know it's hard arriving to a brand new place without knowing anyone, so we make it easy. You'll have access to our app's exclusive social feature to make new friends as soon as you land and meet other like-minded travelers just like you on our exclusive customer side trips and frequent meetups. Now it's time to head off to the job you've landed. Many of our partner companies may provide staff housing at a heavily subsidized rate, which should save you a ton of stress and money compared to trying to find accommodation on your own. This is just one of the many perks our partner organizations can offer, beyond the fact you could be earning a full-time wage in an epic location right from the start. When you consider it takes most travelers at least 4 more weeks to find work and getting set up in a brand new country, this trip can pay for itself in as little as your first month or so after arriving. Plus, you saved all that time and stress of trying to do it all on your own, not to mention the risk of returning home early if it didn't work out. So once you finished up your first job term and have some savings behind you, it's time to head out on some incredible side trips to explore and have even more fun. And if you're not quite ready to come home yet, we offer unlimited job interviews for the entire duration of your work and holiday, so you can work, travel, rinse and repeat. If you're ready to switch up your life with a stress-free working holiday but just have that little bit of doubt holding you back, have a chat with our work and travel experts today and we'll take care of you each and every step of the way. Most travelers get started at least 6 to 12 months in advance, so what are you waiting for? Take action today before it's too late.